Xiaomi's compact flagship has been renewed, and Ultra is back for camera enthusiasts. Xiaomi has pulled the curtains from its all-new 15 series ahead of MWC 2025, which kicks off in Barcelona on Monday. The latest 15 series comprises the compact Xiaomi 15, the successor to the 14 and the big boy, 15 Ultra, the company's pinnacle camera smartphone. As expected, both the phones come with Leica-tuned cameras. The partnership between Xiaomi and Leica for imagery technology has entered its fourth year, and we hope to see more camera-focused premium smartphones in the future. So far, companies have developed 21 products jointly covering 5 regions and 100 countries. We do not know the pricing yet, and we'll have to wait until March 11th, when Xiaomi reveals prices for the 15 series. In Europe, the Xiaomi 15 starts at €999 and the 15 Ultra price is set at €1,499. Considering these are successors to the 14 series, we expect both these phones to be available in more or less the same ballpark figure. Let us dive full into the video. You're a smartphone lover. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop your comment, and do not forget to like our video. Xiaomi 15 brings Snapdragon Elite SoC to a compact form factor. Xiaomi 15 brings back the familiar compact form factor from its predecessor, Xiaomi 14. And, mind you, that's one of the biggest highlights of the 15. The form factor is such that you can hold it easily in just one hand, and it's incredibly light, as it weighs under 200 grams and measures 8.08 millimeters thick. It sports an aerospace-grade aluminum frame that wraps around the Xiaomi 15. The smooth edges sit well in your palms, giving an incredible hand feel, and a unibody design adds to the overall character of the compact device. The camera deco is again something that will remind you of the 14. The weight distribution is also balanced, but more on that as I spend more time with the device. It gets the proper suite of features you expect from a modern-day flagship, including an IP68 rating. The 15 comes in 3 subtle colors this year: black, green, and white. I got the white one, which looks elegant. The 6.36-inch screen with ultra-thin bezels offers more screen space, and it looked bright enough in the limited time I spent with the 15. The Xiaomi 15 finally gets the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which seemed snappy in my initial use. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite powers it, so we can expect it to offer flagship-grade performance credentials. However, I will reserve any verdict regarding display and performance for the review. The camera is one of the highlights of the Xiaomi 15, and it sports a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel Light Fusion 900 image sensor with f/1.62 aperture and OIS, a 50-megapixel 60mm floating telephoto sensor, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 115-degree field of view. The camera app is the same as last year, with updates like an all-new sunset portrait mode added this year, which looked interesting during the keynote announcement. The initial camera test gave me some amazing-looking shots. At the front, there's the 32-megapixel selfie sensor. The battery department probably has the biggest update as it packs a bigger battery than its predecessor, 14. The 15 packs a 5,240 mAh battery with 90W hypercharge support. A more in-depth take on the camera and battery in our review. Xiaomi 15 Ultra, camera beast. Now, jumping to the beast of a device, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, a smartphone built for professional photographers. Yes, consider this one going up against the likes of Vivo X200 Pro. The 14 Ultra was the first Ultra device from Xiaomi that went global, and now, the 15 Ultra is its successor this year. The company's intentions are clear: not to miss the ultra-premium audience. Starting with the design, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's color and design are inspired by the traditional professional camera and use materials like aerospace-grade glass fiber. It has small elements like an ultra watermark just above the camera housing. The camera deco has been integrated into the back of the device, giving it a more seamless look and feel. Compared to the 14 Ultra, the 15 Ultra rear camera housing is bigger, and the phone comes in silver chrome, white, and black colors. I got the silver chrome, which feels like the best color variant this year. The phone gets an IP68 rating. Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 4-sided symmetrical curved glass for a more comfortable in-hand feel. At 229 grams, the phone is on the heavier side. It features a 6.73-inch WQHD Plus AMOLED display with 3200 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. In my limited time with the device, this is among the best displays I have ever seen on any Xiaomi phone. But I will reserve that submission until I can test the phone more. The hand feel of the smartphone is solid, and I was more comfortable using it without snapping a case on top. The 15 Ultra will come in a single 16GB and 512GB storage variant. With Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC under the hood, the 15 Ultra joins the elite club of flagship phones for performance credentials. In my initial time, the phone handled almost everything smoothly and quickly opened apps. The multitasking worked like a breeze. For the battery department, Xiaomi is fitted in a 5,410 mAh battery and supports 90W hypercharge wired and 80W wireless hypercharge. Again, I will reserve my verdict for our review. Now, the fun part comes: cameras. It has a 4-camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 200-megapixel telephoto sensor, a 50-megapixel floating telephoto sensor, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Of course, the 15 Ultra has a regular suite of Leica styles that enhance the overall experience. This one also gets the 1-inch sensor and f/1.63 aperture. There's a 32-megapixel selfie camera. In my limited time with the device, the 15 Ultra looks like a fantastic successor to the 14 Ultra in terms of camera upgrades. But I will be able to break it down more in my review. It also runs on HyperOS 2, based on Android 15. It has a suite of AI features on board, which I will test and detail in my review, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you just watched, please drop your comment, and do not forget to like this video. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Simmyideas Tech Hub on X and Facebook. For the latest videos on gadgets and tech, subscribe to our YouTube channel.